Does your Vizio Smart TV keep turning off by itself after 3, 6 or 9 seconds, or it turns off randomly? Then this is the video that you are looking for, because one of these solutions will definitely fix it. It's always a good practice to go through the basic troubleshooting first. First, make sure that the power cable of your TV is connected properly on both ends and the outlet it's plugged into is not flimsy. It's best if you plug it directly into a wall outlet. Now, in case your TV turns off after a specific time, like 30 minutes or 10 minutes, then check whether there is any power off timer enabled. Just press Settings, go down to All Settings, then System, then scroll down and open Timers. Here you just need to disable the auto power off feature. In case your TV keeps turning off after a few seconds or at random, then this may also be caused by an HDMI device that's connected to your TV. And to verify this, you can just unplug your HDMI device and see if it fixes it. You can also turn off the HDMI-CEC feature, alternatively, by going back to the System Settings page, going to CEC, and disable it. If you're still facing the same issue, then there may be some other TV remote that's causing this, especially the Fire TV remote. This is known to cause this problem. So to verify this, you can either take out the batteries of any other remote that you have, or you can block off the infrared sensor of the remote using a tape. And there's a high chance that it will fix it, so let us know down below. Unfortunately, if this wasn't the case, then you have another option, which is resetting your TV to factory default. But as you know, this will erase everything and you'll need to set it back up. So to do this, you can just hold down the power button on your TV for at least 10 seconds or until it says the memory is being erased. Now keep your finger crossed and hopefully this is it. And that's all I have for you. Let us know if this worked and I'll see you around.